Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Motor Mechanic 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point. I have a wonderful couple who is wondering about their engine. So when I put up my diagnostic machine, I'm looking for PIDs. So right here, first of all, we're looking for misfires. Come over here, there is no misfire. I'm also going to have them hit the gas because we want to put this under a load. But at this moment, there's no misfires. Also, I can see the condition of this engine. You take the short and the long term, and you add them together. It's either going to be plus or minus 10. Minus 10 and the below, good. Plus, just don't go over 10, minus or plus. Adding these two together. Long term, short term, minus 2. Nothing's wrong. All right, if somebody can hit the gas a little bit, we're going to see it under a load, the misfire. So you can see the 1, 2, 3, 4 cylinder. You can smell the oil too.
Yeah, I know. I was just saying I haven't. Yeah.
Just a little bit. Nothing. Are you good? With that being said, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and follow. And thank you for your donations. We help people who want fixed income, like elderly people. Thank you.